I'm probably going to keep it very vague. I'm doing fine.
Okay, that's miscommunication right there. Because I think he's doing fine. He said, I'm doing fine, which means nothing bad is going on in his life that is affecting him. And stop. That's ineffective communication. You know what? You can go look at, and that's just talking to strangers as well. When they're like, because when you get on those little dating apps and you talk to people and everything like that, you're like, just simple conversation happens. Hey, how are you doing? They get a paragraph from me. Exactly how I feel at that moment when they asked me. Or when they say, hey, what's going on? I tell them exactly what's going on at that time. I am effectively communicating. You asked me a question, I answered it, which also should get you to engage in a conversation. And that's how you get to know people. That's how I get to know people.
Yeah.
And when you ask them that, I'm okay. What the fuck is okay? That's ineffective communication. And then you get mad that the conversation doesn't go anywhere from there. Well, you just told me you're okay, and I don't know where to go with that.
Yeah.
You're not telling me truly what I asked you.
Yeah.